BoardView's powerful drag-and-drop interface makes it a go-to option for agile project management teams. However, any user can benefit from the convenience that it offers. In this view, tasks are arranged in vertical columns. By default, columns will be grouped by status. You can drag and drop tasks between columns to make quick changes, and even quickly create a new status column here. Multiple workflows can be displayed together in a single board view, so when moving a task, you'll only see the statuses available for that task. Change the grouping of your columns anytime by clicking here. To make quick changes to your tasks in bulk, you can use the Multitask toolbar. Hover over any task to select it with the toolbar, or select an entire column. Then, choose an action from the Multitask toolbar, like adding assignees, watchers, or deleting tasks. Your board view columns can be sorted to show certain tasks at the top. And you can apply filtering to only see tasks that meet certain criteria. By default, you'll see tasks assigned to everyone. But you can click Me Mode at any time to only see tasks assigned to you. If you want to show subtasks in your board view, you can choose to expand them below their parents or as separate items. In the Settings area, you can also decide what information should be shown on each of your tasks in the board view, such as assignees, custom fields, and task locations. Anytime you make a change to the layout of your view, like a new filter, sorting, or grouping option, you'll have the option to save the changes to your layout. Saving your layout will preserve the changes for next time, so you or anyone who comes back to this board view will see the same thing. You can also choose to auto-save changes to your view. Finally, don't forget to check out the View Options menu for your board view. Here, you can take actions like making this the default view for everyone in your workspace, defaulting to Me Mode for everyone, or saving it as a favorite for easy access later on. If you have any questions about board view, just let us know at help@clickup.com.